Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace and program a Jeep Wrangler ABS control module. First, ensure you have the correct replacement part for your vehicle. You'll need basic hand tools, a diagnostic scanner, and possibly a brake bleeder kit. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before beginning any work on your vehicle's electrical system. This prevents accidental shorts or component damage. Once the battery is disconnected, locate the ABS module, usually mounted on the frame rail or near the master cylinder. You'll need to carefully disconnect the electrical connectors and then the brake lines. Be prepared for some brake fluid to leak out. After removing the mounting bolts, you can install the new module, ensuring all connections are secure and torqued to specification. After installing the new module, it's crucial to bleed the brake system thoroughly to remove any air introduced during the line disconnection. Next, connect a compatible diagnostic scanner to your Jeep's OBD-ROMAN 2 port. This tool is essential for programming the new ABS module to your vehicle's specific VIN and configuration. Follow the scanner's prompts to complete the programming and calibration procedures. With programming complete, reconnect the battery and start your Jeep. Check the dashboard for any ABS or brake warning lights. If lights persist, recheck your connections and programming steps. Finally, perform a road test in a safe area to confirm the ABS system engages correctly during braking. This ensures your vehicle's safety features are fully restored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.